Hello, welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing well. So we got another 5-pack here, and oh, this is a cool one. The Nightburnerz 5-packs are always really cool, and this is yeah, this is nice. So I'll just show you down there, little Nightburnerz, their little car and the thing in the box there. On the side there, we got a bit of a view of the card art on the back there, which is what I'll do is I'll zoom in a bit on this one. Hopefully you can see that a bit better, because this is a really nice card art design. As you can see, we got the Datsun 620 there, looking really cool, zooming through the cityscape there. Speed lines, all the reflections, it just looks so good. It's a really nice design on this one, and I love just the little detail of it just shooting a flame there as well, just to top it all off. That is really cool. So yeah, in this pack we have the Alpha Pursuit, the Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35, I think we'll just call that the RX-7, a Honda Prelude, or Prelude, however you want to say it, a Datsun 620, and the McLaren Speedtail, which is a bit of a weird one in this, I think, but won't lie, it's a very cool car, so yeah. So, let's waste no time. I'm just going to crack it right open. Oh. Well, maybe we won't. I've picked one that's really glued. Right, we'll do the old method then. Oh yeah. There's a reason why I haven't done it. I've misplaced my knife. That's why I've just been ripping them open today. So let's just do something really dangerous. Well, not that dangerous. Got to be a little bit more careful. These health and safety nut jobs. Oh, you can't do that. You might hurt yourself. Anyway, let's get the cars out the pack. These are really cool. Right, there we are. There are the cars all lined up. Whoops. Whoops. Go a bit closer. Right, let's take a closer look. So first off, we got a sort of police interceptor, the Alpha Pursuit. Now this is pretty cool. I used to love playing with my cars when I was younger, and I used to always need more police cars, so this is very nice. Would have loved to have this when I was younger, that's for sure. Nice little ram bar on the front there for shunting the people you're pursuing off the road. Little hood vents. We got sort of a red and blue kind of light bar on the roof there, which is pretty cool. I like how they've brought up the interior to add the little bit of red detail in there. It's a nice little touch. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Hot Wheels Police written on the side, louvers on the back there, and some bit of detail on the back there as well. That's really cool. And it's all got like a little ducktail spoiler coming off the rear there. That's really nice actually. That's a pretty cool one. Fingerprint magnet base. Nice. Right, next up we have the Savannah RX-7. This is really cool. Nice front detail on this one, looks pretty good. White split spoke wheels on this. The 5 spokes, very cool. Oh, and on the back we get some rear light tampos, very cool. We have the RX-7 and the Mazda logo above each light. Very tiny, hard to see. Hot Wheels on the license plate there as well. Some little exhausts out the back. Nice detail on them. There's the base. Yeah, pretty good. Really good actually. That's quite nice. Oh, and it's actually right-hand drive too. Proper JDM. That's nice. I like that. That's pretty good. I'd say it does lack a bit. Maybe it could have done with a bit of some front light tampos, but there we are. What, we can't have it all, can we? Right. Again, white wheels on this one. Oh yeah, the Honda Prelude. I don't know why I forgot that. Nearly said Postlude because well, I play GTA and they add in their own versions of cars and play on the names. Don't be that annoying person that sees a car in real life and calls it the GTA car. You know who you are. It's really annoying. Anyway, this is pretty cool. Nice front light lenses. Really, really nice touch. Hot Wheels, do this more often. This is awesome. I like this. It looks good. Yeah, little cutout for the front bumper there. Little Honda logo. Ding goes the desk. Little wipers on the screen there. Very nice. Sunroof on the back of the car. Oh, really nice rear light details as well. Little Honda logo and a tiny little VTEC badge up there. VTEC, yo! That's really cool. Again, got a nice exhaust on the back, and there is the base. That is really nice. Plain and simple, but very, very nice because of it. Right, so here we have the truck that is on the card art. The Datsun 620. Kato House? I don't know what that says on the side. Got Gredy, a little heart logo of some sort. Number 0, Datsun. Kato House. Not sure what that is. It's probably something though. On the front, nice detail, chromed out front splitter. Got the grille in there in black, very nice. 5-spoke wheels in grey. Interesting kind of a beigey green, olivey green colour. A sort of very light dirt green. I'm not sure what to... It is sort of a lighter version of an olive green, getting close to a kind of beigey colour. Very strange. On the back there, Datsun printed on the rear tailgate. Very, very nice. Do love that. There's the base. I can't remember if we've seen that already. Yeah, pretty cool. This is a very nice, well, who doesn't love the Datsun 620? Just such a awesome little pickup. Really, really cool. Right, last car of the pack, we have the McLaren Speedtail. And this is very nice, a very sort of deep, dark purple. Still got the dual wheels. Got the speed aero discs on the front, some spokes on the back. Pretty cool. Full plastic roof or sort of window glass over the top. A little red stripe on the back there. Very nice. Tiny little logo on the front and a little splitter. Hopefully you can see that. It's quite hard. I keep slipping on the car for some reason. And it's a very dark purple, so it's quite hard to see. There's the back of the car. Almost impossible to see. Almost impossible to see is the tiny little lights in the back. Hang on, we'll just get the light involved. There you go. Tiny little lights and a logo as well. Yeah, I mean, I just just casually getting the floodlight out to light up the Hot Wheels more. Because apparently 2 strip lights on the desk is not enough. But yeah, pretty nice actually. We'll do the base before I forget. Yeah, pretty cool. I just think that it might just be me, but I think the Speedtail was a bit of a weird choice. I get it, the JDM cars all cruising around the street, and then maybe the police get involved and chase them or something. Unless maybe some rich dude has bought this McLaren Speedtail, thinks he's now the bollocks, and is trying to race literally everyone, and the 2 absolute nut job tuners that have had way too much monster energy and spare time on their hands are now pushing like 800 horsepower, and they've all got involved in a bit of a race. The Speedtail was somehow losing, making the rich man's day very unfortunate, and then the police are waiting in the corner to chase them all down. And then the Datsun, I don't know, I mean, maybe it's just happy at the back there. I don't know. Don't get me wrong, the Speedtail's cool. It just seems strange in the pack selection, but there we are. Yeah, but there's my little theory on the story. But yeah, I think I've covered everything there. That's a pretty cool 5-pack, I must say. The Nightburnerz stuff is always really cool, though. So yeah, thank you for watching. Let me know down below what you think of this pack. Good luck in your pig hunts as always, and of course I shall see you in the next video.